Hey guys, so I'm here with the Canarm Victorian ceiling fan again. The only reason is because I got it wired up. So I'm actually going to be doing a real testing video instead of spinning it. So I was able to wire it up because thanks to E-Man Fan. Thank you very much for that video. And I actually wired this up and tested this fan, and it was good. So we're gonna give it a try. We'll just start it on low. Has a hum, but isn't awfully that loud. But I don't know if I'd use this in my bedroom or not. To me, it'll just probably, it won't work if I'm going to sleep. Yeah, you can hear it in there. Not gonna put my camera too close because I don't want to get hurt. Alright, let's get to medium. And it starts to get a bit noisy on medium, as it would appear. But feeling a ton of air coming from it already. Yeah, at least here I feel the air. I've got to be careful I don't have much papers in here because I know it'll all blow around. And it does, the motor does shake a bit. You can hear some rattling. Yeah, like right now, you can hear it a bit. I don't know what it is, but here's high. Yeah, this thing goes really fast. Fast like an industrial. I kind of think like a gold line. Yeah. Now I feel a lot of air from it. Alright then. I'm just going to plug it because I don't want to turn it off when it's going really fast. And then we'll do reverse. So, yeah. Yeah, so this fan, I don't know, I don't think I would put it in my bedroom because of how much noise it makes. But, yeah, it's still a good fan, but I don't know, like, why the motor starts rattling. I don't know if that, like, I don't know why it shakes. I don't know if it only does it on forward. The only problem is I don't know if this is forward or reverse I have it on, because I have it on the floor. So, like, I could be having it on either direction. So, I believe this is forward. So, yeah, I think it's forward because I'm trying to look backwards now. Yeah, I think that would be forward because I'm looking at it going forward, but if it were on the ceiling, then yeah, I don't know, but this is my first time actually floor testing fans, so I'm not a huge expert, but let me just move some of this stuff out of the way. Yeah, there goes my other fan. Yeah, it's been sitting there for quite a while. It's this tight. Let's put it back here. So, just missed a bit of spin now, but well, I got a very small basement for a workshop. I hope to get a bigger one in the future. And it's come to a complete stop, so Here's reverse. And we'll just set it to low. So it's on high, so medium, low. And, yeah. So, plug it back in. Yeah, but we seem to be doing good with this. I hope this doesn't like cause a fire or something. Like this, but like I did this exactly what a manual showed. So I hope I'm doing this perfectly right. Anyways, medium. Doesn't make that rattling. The motor doesn't shake on reverse. I don't know why. I find that weird. Here's high. Gotta be careful with the bags around here that are surrounded. I don't want them blowing and sucking into the fan. Because that happened once when I turned this on, when I was testing it. Okay, I'm gonna go turn it off because I see it's about to blow. Alright then. Alright then, so that is it for the video. The 52-inch Canarm Victorian ceiling fan in operation. So there'll be more videos of my fans in my collection that will be operational, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching.